Hey, Commander owners, especially this four-seater. Anybody that's got one of those, they know that the driveline rattle is annoying. It's way too much. So a couple years ago, we came up with a kit ourselves to throw a rubber tube on there and just to try to harmonically silence the thing. Absolutely just a temporary fix. The factory has finally come out with a permanent fix. And I just had this one done a couple months ago, and it is dead quiet and runs so much better. You'll be very, very happy. So this is the latest update. They're calling it a C602447-WB prop shaft noise and vibration bulletin, and then the drive shaft kit is 703501237. Get your machine in, call your dealer, get that thing fixed. You guys are really going to be happy with it. Happy trails, man.